I I actually have mixed feelings about the user piece. See, the there are two things. Number one is how you find from the users. I think is is a difficult act, because number one, if you do, let's say, a conventional market research or a market research, I think what happens is consumers feel something, they think or know something which is slightly different, they say something else, and they actually do something which is different, right? So really, if you want to know, you need to probe deeper. And if I was to talk in the context of, there are sometimes this thing of, we did a market research of 5,000 customers or 10,000 customers. Maybe sometimes it's better to do an in-depth of 10 rather than 5,000, because 5,000, what will happen is you will have somebody who is a very base level person who will go with a standard questionnaire, who will ask 5 questions and tick tick, you're not even sure whether it has been filled correctly or not, versus you personally spending time with 5 people, but really spending time actually may yield a better sense. The second thing, and I think there are both schools of thought on that, is many times consumers don't know what they want. And actually, if you look at some of the disruptions, it is very difficult. If 10 years back somebody would have said that your phone is going to hold your music and it's going to tell you how to go from place A to place B and whatever, I don't know as a consumer how I would have reacted. So it's somewhat difficult to use only the customer. So that's, as Harvinder was saying, I think looking at experts with a slightly different or tangential point of view actually is sometimes interesting.
Let me add one or two things, and then after that you react. I think absolutely right. There is certain art of what we call consumer insighting. So this is not consumer research, insighting, because you have to go deep down into consumer's mind in terms of finding out what are the latent needs which he has. He himself doesn't know. So you have to actually, what we do is we used to train our brand managers for 2 days in asking the right questions and going deep into consumer's mind. So there was 2 days including training to how do you interact with customers, and we would go in teams of 2. Because one person is speaking, the other is observing, and because if you're speaking and writing notes, then many times what the consumer is saying you may just miss out. So sometimes there may be some blind spots. So go in a team of 2, identify the customers, and spend half an hour, 1 hour going into much more detail. Do 10 of them rather than doing a market research, because market research beyond a point cannot give you answers. It will give you, if you are doing something, what you may go wrong, they may give. But the consumer insighting, but it has to be done in the right manner.